I find it very interesting that a lot of companies, after the pandemic, want to make sure that their employees will return back to the office. And to be fair with that approach, in a lot of cases, it makes absolutely sense. Meaning that for some professions, you cannot practice them from a distance, or at least it's not as productive. However, for some other professions, it does not always make sense. And I'm just going to give you an example, and this is my argument. Okay, listen. So the goal is employees to work at the office and not from home, right? Now, in the near future, we are going to have artificial intelligence and agents who will help us achieve specific goals, right? So, let's see. You have to work from the office, but your artificial intelligence colleague, because they're actually going to be equal with you, does he have to work from home or from the office? I mean, where is home for him when he's going to be your colleague? And is it going to be fair for you to work at the office when your colleague, your artificial intelligence colleague, works from home? I mean, it's not really funny, but it's kind of funny. I think it's important to be open-minded, but also use logic. So as a boss, when you're making demands, we have to put ourselves in the other person's shoes. As long as what we are asking for makes sense, of course we need to follow directions and do things that the way they're supposed to be done. But if some things doesn't make sense and it doesn't increase productivity, and it's not going to make a big difference, then working from home or working from the office, it might not make a big difference. Okay, so watch out what is going to happen within the next few months, and definitely within the next few years. You're going to have an artificial intelligent colleague. So if your boss tells you you have to work from home, ask him, how about this one? Okay. Things are moving very fast, and we need to be open-minded and do things in a different way. Otherwise, if we only think of the old ways of we have been always doing things, it's not going to be productive for us. Things are changing fast, very, very fast, and that's it.